Hello, my name is Wono from Korea. I'm making this video who wasn't able to participate in my conference tutorial KMO2023. You can access this information from this using this QR code or either short URL, and you have to be careful using that capital letters and small letters. I think this is L, small L, and this is 0. Okay, so you will be able to access the same information on the web or even on your mobile devices. And some tips is that you can click the background and drag the mouse to see the whole map, to move the map. And if you see small dots here, when you move over to the end of the edge and watching your icon is changing, you can click and fold and unfold. When you see this red arrow here, if you click that one, it will open a new web page which is hyperlinked to this node. So this is a brief notice that I will be able to find my information like this, and wiki and blog, my blog and my YouTube channels. And Facebook address and other research areas. Actually, in the conference, people are more interested in my other research areas, and if you click the arrow here, red arrow, you'll be able to connect to my other research areas. And here's why we use OKMindMap, and originally what is like the handwriting mind map. You can click and take a look at it. For the OKMindMap, sorry, I would like to ask you to use Google Translate. So you can translate, you can collaborate on the web with many other colleagues, and you can convert it many different kind of visual representation from mind map. And you can embed many images, videos, even the web pages using iframe. And you can turn the mind map into other conventional presentation directly, and you can integrate this to the Moodle, and IoT is also supported. You will be able to watch each individual video if you're interested. Actually, this video, I don't have to go in detail because I already made in the link how to use OKMindMap. It's a sort of manual, and watching these videos, you'll be able to use how to use it. So I'm gonna skip how to use mind map and just review the information here, how you can review the whole conference tutorial contents. So I spent some time. So introduction was like that. So how to view OKMindMap and how to register. So you might go to this address, and here you can log. Okay, I'll show you how to log in. Here you just click and sign up and ask to registration, and you go to your email address and make an email verification. After that you will be able to use it. Okay, this is the way to use it. You can even use MindMap without without even the registration, but if you like to manage your MindMap, I suggest you to use to go through the registration process.
화장실에서 이러고 있어?
So actually this contains how to use the menus, and those things are covered on the video I introduced you previously here in tutorial available. So I would like to skip everything, and I'll just like to show you the practice map. Within my tutorial, during my tutorial, I was able to work with the other participants. You can check the Vino and Jirawat and Graham and Chloe and me was working together to create a mind map here using many different kind of multimedia nodes. And as you can see, I can just directly change this map to a different presentation style like this. Even you can watch the video embedded inside the mind map. So this is one of the functions you can represent directly from mind map and download it as a PowerPoint. And there are several others, something like a page style, an arrow style, linear style presentation. But that's a part of the functions. And from the video, you will be able to know how to add text and URL, an image and video and web page and things like that. There are some samples that those functions probably you can see that even the web page is embedded inside of the mind map, and you can watch that part of mind map is working inside of your mind map program. Okay, the other example is that using the capability of it, you can make a mind map like that. So you can, okay, this you just saw before, and you embed a Padlet things here. So this is a part of Padlet we can embed, and this is GeoGebra. So if you know GeoGebra, you know how to create things like this. And this is Google Map, or where I live, things like that. And you can even math equations like this. Okay, so and moving nodes and drag and drop things and copying, exporting text and make them to work only on their own nodes. About sharing, map management, making variables, share how to share maps. Okay, so I would like to suggest you to reference that blog video I showed you before. And we can convert maps into different kinds. So there are many kinds, but I'd like to just show that one example and some things. I made a directory for AI tools these days. If you go there, this is I began to create this mind map using mind map style, and converted it to sunburst style. And if you go all over that, you can see that this is kind of AI tools, categorize the video and marketing and chatbot design and writing and productivity. If you're interested in more in video, you click, so you will be able to watch more details about video. And in video, there is something like the Bit.io is a service like this, and if you like to connect to the web information, you click, and it will directly redirect you the information more about Video Studio. Okay, this is just one of the conversion maps presentation. I just show you with the working map, practice map with participants of conference. And okay, this QR code, as you see, that you can access for every mind map has its own unique access, and you can use it. And you can integrate the Moodle. There is a little bit process, but I'll show you the result. If you click, and it's single signed on. So from the mind map side, if you install plugin to your Moodle, and if you are connected well, the same user, you can logged into the every activities of the Moodle course. In the Moodle course, every activity can be represented. You know that this is one of random formula type question in Moodle, and you can try these random things. You'll be able to see that the formula is changing. Okay, just part of that. And the IoT, if you like to know more about the IT, probably you will reference this link to know more about it. How to use it? You can use it the introduction for ice breaking and using collaboration maps and for the research. Okay, there's some other research I'm interested. Probably you can go to. I'm interested in deepfake. So for the research purpose, I made this information for myself, related my papers, but mostly I'm the original paper creator. I used those deepfake technology to create e-learning contents, so you'll be able to watch it. And if you click, you can directly access to the collab of my collab. I think it's open to everybody. Oh, the language here, you can translate it to English, and with English you can understand better. With that, you can with this information you will be able to see that the deepfake technology, how can you use it for, or you can go to my blog. This is a sample of the blog I made using deepfake technology. So you can create your own contents, e-learning contents using this kind of thing. So that's one of the way I used for research to collect the information and bookmarking. Even the collaborational bookmarking is possible, so you can work with your colleagues to create mind map together. And this is the textbook. Okay, this is how I used to create the contents, originally from just a keyword, and you'll be able to see how I use the prompt to create mind map contents. So eventually I would like to use OpenAI to create a mind map automatically. Okay, so there are other prompt samples how I used to create a mind map from ChatGPT things. Okay, so my digital textbooks, this is how I use for my textbook for my university class. The electrical machine, sorry for this Korean things, I would like to translate. Maybe this time Espanol. Okay, range. So see, I put in this digital text many information here. I don't know where is my video things. It was there somewhere. So I put images, videos. Okay, let me just pull down, pull everything. Okay, I was able to see it. Okay, some images and video. My video for teaching my students. I made it myself and put it on the YouTube. Okay, that's about it. This is a brief summary of my presentation, but the information is there. You can follow the clicks and you will get the most of the contents from this. Thank you very much.